Well, today should be fun riding with Saiyan 420. My guy, he's back on the bike. He's gonna be on the H2 today. I'm gonna be on my S1K. It's gonna be a fun day. There it is. There it is. So he's gonna take that baby up in the canyon. We're just gonna go up and down AFH, you know, get a good feel, get the bikes on film, open it up a little bit. You know, it's Friday afternoon. I'm excited. Oh my God. The H2 with the titanium pipe. ZH2. My bad. What's the difference?
ZH2 is a naked variant.
No fairings. Yes. Okay.
Instead of revving out to 14-ish RPM, we only revs out to 12. And it only makes 150 pounds of torque. So, ooh.
Okay. You about to see what this baby do? This shit looks crazy. Look at this shit.
Tires.
Oh, look at that. Titanium pipes. All these fucking tubes. What the fuck? Okay. You got mine over there, basic S1000.
Hey, it's the rider that makes the bike.